Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial, I was really excited to create this look for you guys. I wanted to do something super wearable, but still very elegant and dramatic at the same time, but still something that you could wear on a night out. And I used a new BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii palette, and this is what the palette looks like. So you can create a lot of super wearable looks with this palette because there are a lot of neutral tones. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer and I used that as a primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge. And then I went ahead and set that in place with some translucent powder just to make blending eyeshadows a lot easier. Next, I went in with the shade Ohana, which is this beautiful light pale pink shade, and I used that as my transition shade, so I just put that in my crease going in back and forth motions just to warm up the crease area. You do not have to be too precise with this step. Next, I went into the shade Hibiscus, which is this light terracotta shade, and I just put that in my crease going in back and forth motions using a defined angled brush so that I could have control of where I am placing the eyeshadow, and I only want it to be directly in my crease area. And then I went back in with the shade Ohana to blend that out. Next, I went in with the shade Honolulu, which is this matte, deeper brown shade, and I just put that in my crease, going directly over where we applied the shade Hibiscus, using a defined angled brush once again, just so that we do not take up this eyeshadow too far in the crease. I do want to keep it low, and then when I go in with a blending brush, that's when I go ahead and blend it up with the lighter shades that we applied previously. So I went in with the shade Hibiscus and what was that first shade again? Ohana, and I just put that in the crease, going in back and forth motions to make sure that we do not have any harsh lines. And then I went into that shade Honolulu, the darker brown shade, and I started to add depth on the inner and outer corner and also dragging that into the crease so that everything comes together nicely. And then I went back into my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer once again, and I just put that in the center of the lid. So you want to apply it like if you're going to be concealing the whole lid, but you do want to leave the inner and outer corner bare because we did add that depth, so you do not want to add lightness on top of that. And then we're going to go ahead and go in with the shade Sandy. It's okay if this looks really unblended at first, but we are going to go back in and blend out those outer edges once more. But I applied that sandy shade directly to the center of the lid, and I did spray my brush with some Fix Plus, and I feel like that shade looked so beautiful, but I wanted to add a glitter so that it will stand out even more. So I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Electric Glitter and my NYX Glitter Primer, and I applied that glitter directly to the very center part of my lid. And as you can see, it just really gave a nice spotlight to the center of the lid and just made the look a lot more appealing to the eye. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bora Bora. I will definitely leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lashes and support our company. And then I grabbed my Anastasia of Beverly Hills Nude Highlighter. It's like a cream, it's meant to highlight underneath your brow bone. Because I did not have a nude pencil, and I just put that in my waterline. I wouldn't recommend doing that, but if you have a nude pencil, definitely use that in your waterline. And then I went back into the shade Hibiscus and started to add some depth to the lower lashes. And then I went in with the shade Honolulu as well, just to add a little bit more depth. And then lastly, I just applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you have your post notifications turned on, and then comment done down below for a chance to win. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting all of our content. We are so excited to be on this journey with you guys, and we really appreciate all of you guys that leave a comment on every single video. It does not go unseen. Thank you guys so much. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye!